Hello my dear students, I Pooja Madam from DAV Mall Public School welcome all the students of 6th standard in the online session of computers. Our today's topic is Unit 2 Designing in Impress, and today we are going to learn how to create a presentation. Our today's learning objective is to appreciate the various styles in Apache Open Office Impress. So, as you can see, both of your friends Lobo and Dobo are ready with the software which is known as Open Office Impress for creating a presentation. One day, Dobo wanted to make a attractive and interesting science presentation on the topic components of food. So, he asked his father to help him out. So, Dobo asked his father, "Father, I am trying to make a presentation but it does not look striking and effective. Can you help me out?" So his father said, "Yes, why not? My son, on which software are you making the presentation?" So the Dobo replied, "My teacher has asked me to make a presentation in Apache Open Office Impress." So the father said to Dobo, "Well, to make the presentation effective and attracting, we have to choose the theme and theme color and can use various background style." So children, as you have noticed that Dobo and father are talking about Open Office Impress software, and father is also talking about theme. So let us try to understand what do you mean by Open Office software. This is one of the software which is free of cost available on the internet and has been donated by OpenOffice to Apache Software Foundation on June 1, 2011. This is a similar software just like OpenOffice, Microsoft Office. Now, what do you mean by theme? Theme is a combination of various formats such as background color, font style, text size, or different colors, which allows us to change the look and feel of the presentation. So, my dear students, we are going to make an attractive presentation with the help of Open Office Impress with the help of different beautiful themes. But before starting the session, let me tell you how to install and start Open Office Impress. First of all, we have to go to Google and search for Open Office software download. As soon as we click on search, the first link appear, which is a website of openoffice.org. As soon as we click on this website, the download option appears. Simply click on 32 bits English language 4.1.8 version of Open Office software. Once we click on this, a download option appears and the download start and will be stored in the download folder. As you can see, this download has been started and I have already downloaded it. Let us see it showing the folder option, and this is the software which has been installed. Just double click on the software and the setup will start. As soon as we click on the setup, this window will appear. Welcome to the OpenOffice 4.1.3 setup, and you have to read the instruction and follow the instruction and click on the appropriate button. And in this way, the progress bar will show the progress of the installation, and finally the setup will be installed on your computer. At the end of the installation wizard completed window will appear, on which you have to click on finish, and your Apache OpenOffice 4.1 is installed in your computer successfully. Now let us check how to start the OpenOffice Impress. Go to Start button and here search for OpenOffice software. As soon as you will search for OpenOffice, this software will appear, and in this you will find the package of so many software. Click on Next and give your name, your last name, and click on Finish. In this way you have registered for OpenOffice. Now you can see this is nothing but the Apache OpenOffice software, which is the package of so many different type of software such as text document, drawing, spreadsheet, database, presentation and formulas. Here we are going to use presentation for creating a attractive presentation. Double click on the presentation. Now just follow the step. Here onwards we are going to learn how to create a new presentation. Click on Next and it is going to create an empty presentation. If you want to set the background of your presentation, you can select blue line, gradient or so many different type of backgrounds available in Apache which are inbuilt. Click on Next, and if you want to add some effect, you can add the effect, or it will look like this, and click on Create. This is a presentation which is now empty, and you have to add some text, images and effects to make it a attractive presentation. In the right side you can see the layout window which shows different type of layout you can select for your presentation as per your requirement. Dear students, if you want to change the design of your presentation, follow the step. Go to Format menu, select the Slide Design option. Here you can see so many different designs of the slides, and it is also possible to change the background color of your presentation. Following this step, go to Format menu, click on Style and Formatting option. The background option will appear. Click right mouse button and select Modify option. The background window will appear. You can set the color or gradient or hatching or bitmap images. Let us try gradient, and I am going to select yellow gradients and click on OK. In this way it is also possible to change the background of your presentation. So my dear students, this was all about creating a presentation and changing the theme to make your presentation attractive and catchy. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.